Aina da Mar is a story of love, is an homage to Margarita, a wonderful actress that gave everything she had for theater, for passion, for real emotion.
Through the lens, through her eyes, through her memories and experiences, we dive into the past as well as the present, and we go on a journey through Lorca's life and death. The satisfaction of being able to present a character which existed and give justice to what has happened to him and give him the voice is in itself also a great gift. The dancing is phenomenal. It's masculine, feminine, visceral, very fabulous to watch, and even I, as a performer who has been on stage, am enchanted entirely. If I would summon the context and the meaning of the word, I would say freedom, liberty, love, joy.
These stories are real, and that the characters we're playing were or are real people. We need to share this love and this passion that these people, Lorca, Margarita, and Nuria, that they felt through their art. I feel like humanity needs it now, and we need this hope that something's better waiting for us. Get ready to be shocked, because there are lots of moments that are visually very, wow, like emotional. So get ready for an emotional journey.